So I've been a science and technology nut since I was a kid, and I'm firmly of the view that there aren't many parts of human existence that couldn't be improved or made more efficient by the appliance of science and technology. And one of the critical areas where I think that's most important is in policing and crime. So coming to DSTL today to see the incredible science and advances that are being put together here has been really enlightening. And I do think there's enormous potential in some of the investments that I've seen here on this fantastic site to help us fight crime all the better. You know, we're spending something like £22 billion, I think, across the whole of government in propelling this country forward to be a science superpower. And if one of those areas of propulsion, if you like, where we really accelerate is in making this country and then hopefully other countries safer and making the police more effective in fighting crime, then I think that's a fantastic investment. So it's been a brilliant visit and I've enjoyed every minute.